Bismillaah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen, Sayyidina Habibina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Imam Zaid Shakir, my dear brothers and sisters. My message is short. My message is simple. Let's send our dear sister Rahma Akhdar to Umrah. Let's send her to Umrah so she can witness the brilliant sunshine of Islam at the Kaaba and at the Masjid of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We need to do this. We need to do it soon, my dear brothers and sisters. I could think of no more deserving candidate for Umrah than our dear sister Rahma. So let us be Rahimun. Ar-Rahimun, yarhamuhum ar-Rahman. The merciful ones, the all-merciful, will show mercy to them. Let's show mercy to our sister whose name is Mercy by sending her to Umrah so she can bask, as we said, in the sunshine of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.